Welcome back to Mel Goodness. I would like to say thank you guys for still hanging in there and still watching me. Though I must admit I did took my time off because I did some like soul searching. But now we're back and we're gonna be cooking chicken curry. Come and join me. First, we will gonna peel our potatoes. Three potatoes is enough for our dish. We will just cut them. Okay, and put it in a bowl with water so the skin will not turn into brown. Now we need bell peppers. Get the yellow and the red one. This is just to add colors to our dish and taste too. Okay, just cut it into 4. And we will remove the seed. Just cut it twice. The bell pepper will make our curry taste sweet because of its natural sweetness. Okay. Okay, we will make sure that everything is fine. Our bell pepper doesn't have any seeds to it. Now we got our onion. It's 1/2 onion. Okay. And we will just slice it and we're gonna remove the bad part of it. Okay. Now it's time to cook. First, we will put in 1 tablespoon of oil into our pan. Okay. Wait until it's already hot enough. Then we will put 1 teaspoon of garlic to it. It's a minced garlic. Okay, we'll just saute the garlic for like a minute. Then we will add in our onion. And saute too for like a minute. We will let the chicken simmer for a few minutes. You can cover it while you wait for it to simmer for a few minutes. Okay, we just want the juice of the chicken to come out. That's why we did simmer it for a few minutes. Its skin, it will be like nice brown, golden. Okay, we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll simmer it for a few minutes and then cover it. Alright, now we did simmer for a few minutes on both sides. We will let it simmer for a few minutes. Now that it's simmered for a few minutes, we will just mix it because we just want the juice of the potatoes and the bell pepper to come out before we add in some water. We're gonna add like 1/2 cup to 1 cup of water. Okay. And we will put in 1 tablespoon tandoori powder. If you want it like more spicy, you can add some more garlic powder. Teaspoon of black pepper, and we will bring this one to boil. Now that our dish is boiling, we will try to mix it. To add our coconut milk. We will put in just enough coconut milk, like 3/4 can. Okay, and we will bring this one to boil again. Since it's already 30 minutes, we will open and mix our dish. Okay. Looks yummy and delicious. Now we will taste it. It's so delicious. It's ready to plate. This is so creamy and delicious. It's perfect. Come and eat. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and also share this one to your friends. Enjoy cooking, everyone. Take care always. Bye.